Today I'm going to show you this beautiful peel and stick wallpaper. The pattern is absolutely beautiful and the texture and feels like really high quality. And what's really nice is on the back it does have patterned lines for cutting as well, for you to be able to fit and size the area that you are putting this wallpaper onto. And we are going to put them on our shelves here, and so I'm going to show you how to do it and show you the final look. Now that I've cleaned out our area, here's a little tip on some things that you're going to need. Of course, you need your peel and stick wallpaper. You're going to need to clean the area with a rag. You'll measure, so you might need a tape measure, but you'll measure the area and cut it to size. And then once it's applied, you're going to squeegee out the bubbles, and I just use a credit card. All right, so here's the finished look. It's a super easy way to refresh your area, and it goes quick and easy to transform a space.